tongue kissing.
Ew, look over here. They're sharing it, they're licking it together. Ew.
Aww.
This is a nice moment. Can we get some more, please? Please, we need this because I'm gonna... You can hold the camera, I'll do it. Ew, that's so sad though. Look at her outfit. Did she grab it?
Yep. He's so sad. This one's so stupid, John.
Why? You're supposed to chew it first. You're supposed to chew it and throw it at them. This one hasn't eaten. Oh, yeah.
You can't hear her chewing now, though.
She hasn't chewed it yet. It's still in her hand. She just threw away her grass.
No.
She just threw away her grass for it.
I feel so sad for you.
No, pass me. I'll chew a piece and I'll give it one. Yep.
She's still looking at it.
Can you get one?
She enjoys it. He doesn't.
Can I please have one first?
No.
I want one